Are you a creative mind with a passion of designing, coding, video editing, digital marketing, content creation, or even YouTube? Do you dream of taking your skills to the next level? Hey, Namaskar. Welcome to our Cybertech Creation, where we turn your creative dream into reality. At Cybertech Creation, we are more than just a learning platform. We are a vibrant community of creative individuals who are passionate about their craft and dedicated to supporting each other. Whether you are a designer, perfecting your artistic skills, a coder diving into a new programming language, a video editor enhancing your storytelling abilities, a digital marketer developing strategies that make an impact, a content creator crafting compelling narrative, or a YouTuber building a loyal audience, you'll find a place here. Our mission is provide you with the tools, knowledge, and supports you need to reach new heights. Our expert-led courses are designed to be practical and engaging, ensuring you gain real-world skills that can immediately be applied to your project. But beyond the courses, we foster an environment where you can connect with the like-minded creatives, share your experience, and collaborate. Our community is here to inspire you, challenge you, celebrate your success. Join us today and start your journey towards become the best version of yourself. Discover new possibilities, unlock your potential with the support of a dedicated and passionate community. You guys just comment down creative and our team will connect you.